flip and sew on the rectangle with this square, and you would put it on here. And the traditional way is just draw a line from point to point, sew on it, and flip it open. I have found it's much more accurate to take a ruler like this. It's a 45° with a 1/4 inch edge on it, right there. This one happens to be my favorite because I can do a lot of different things with it, but you can also use these little folded corner clippers, and you just lay it on the square, and you align the top of the square, the side of the square, and then you draw a line. And this line is where your 1/4 inch guide goes on. So you're still sewing it from point to point, but you're using your 1/4 inch guide on this line. And what that does is it gives you a much more accurate measurement, because instead of just going point to point, where you're only aligning these 2 points, you're actually using the ruler and you're aligning 2 edges of the square. Sometimes you can even use the 3rd line down here. So that diagonal is much more accurate than this diagonal. So once you've marked them all, you layer them up, and you always want to take the smaller triangle and point it towards the square that you want it to flip out to. So we want it to flip this way. So this is the smaller triangle, it's going to go that way. If we did this and sewed, it would not come out right. So it'll go in my machine like this, the 1/4 inch.